The evolution of life on this planet is probably directly driven by conscious experience. Any organism that experiences pleasure will seek out that pleasure. Any organism that experiences pain will try to avoid that pain. Without the existence of these basic conscious experiences, there would be no motivation for any organism to react. There's nothing like a little pain to motivate you to adjust what you are doing. This applies to simple organisms and to humans. We must conclude that evolution is not a completely mindless, bioelectrical, chemical, DNA mutating, environmentally influenced process. Rather, evolution is driven by a combination of primitive conscious desires, bioelectrical chemical processes, random DNA mutations, and environmental influences. We must conclude that evolution is not a completely mindless, bioelectrical chemical, DNA mutating, environmentally influenced process. Rather, evolution is driven by a combination of primitive conscious desires, bioelectrical chemical processes, random DNA mutations, and environmental influences. Using this perspective, we might be able to say that evolution does not even exist as a thing in itself. Rather, evolution is just an emergent property of the action of consciousness in the universe. This, of course, implies that conscious experience might actually be more important than bioelectrical chemistry, DNA mutations, and environmental processes in evolution. Since science is unable to say what consciousness is, we can and should speculate what it could be and how it could have developed. We can, for example, speculate that consciousness might have existed prior to the Big Bang and might have even been the cause of the Big Bang. The universe might have been created by consciousness and for consciousness. Speculate that the ultimate goal of physical evolution is to provide a better and better host for consciousness development. We can speculate that maybe the very existence of the physical universe is pointless without consciousness. Maybe the physical body is just some sort of incubator for the conscious mind, and the conscious mind is the more important part. Maybe the physical mind creates a connection to conscious space in order to create a conscious mind in that conscious space. The conscious mind would then strictly exist only in that conscious space. All speculations are still on the table. Remember that the only thing we know about the physical universe is through our conscious experiences. Conscious experiences are primary to what we are.